Imagine you have a growing business and your sales volume increases rapidly. As a result, your sales back office is flooded with orders and faces capacity issues. This video shows how your inside sales representative can address these challenges in the digital economy. SAP S/4HANA with the SAP Fiori user experience summarizes and highlights sales order fulfillment issues in real time, prompting the user to take action to resolve issues efficiently. The inside sales rep wants to check the business details of a customer. In addition, he wants to track this customer's order items through to delivery and invoicing and resolve any issues that may have arisen along the way. To begin, the sales rep searches the customer in the SAP Fiori Launchpad and checks the 360-degree view of this customer. With all of the business transaction details at a glance, the sales representative can directly move to resolve sales order issues. The chart shows a detailed summary of all order fulfillment problems for the selected customer. Drilling down to the delivery block issues, the sales rep can start working on them right away. The app presents the overall order process flow and lists issues one by one. The delivery block is caused by missing shipping data. The sales rep completes the shipping data by entering a shipping type and removes the delivery block. Next, the sales rep checks billing details, corrects the payment terms, and removes the billing block as well. Now, the sales rep can create the goods delivery and get the ordered product shipped to the customer on time. Having shipped the products, the remaining step is invoicing, which may be triggered directly. SAP S/4HANA with the SAP Fiori UX provides a simple and intuitive user experience that is tailored to the way the inside sales representative works. This allows the sales rep to complete tasks quickly with a comprehensive view of all relevant information on one screen. As you can see, if the sales rep didn't have the benefit of the new UX, the process would have been far more complex. Let's fast forward the video. With SAP S/4HANA using SAP Fiori UX, the inside sales representative completes the task easily in just 1 minute and 37 seconds, with 33 clicks and 1 field filled. With SAP ERP using the traditional SAP GUI, the process takes more than 3 minutes and 50 seconds, with 62 clicks and 13 fields filled. The result? The sales representative completes the task more than twice as fast with the least amount of effort.